Welcome to the World Equestrian Center in Ocala, Florida, where luxury meets equestrian excellence. Spanning 378 acres of rolling horse country, this is more than just a venue, it's a world-class destination, named the best in the world by Time magazine. In the heart of this complex, 29 state-of-the-art arenas host top equestrian events, including the Saturday night's Grand Prix, where athletes from around the world come to compete for the $100,000 purse and more. Here at the World Equestrian Center, we blend quality, class, and distinction, offering an experience that's truly unmatched. Come, discover why we're not just the largest, but the best equestrian complex in the world.